talking about using a home inspection report to buy or sell a home smart.
Exactly. This is something that is near and dear to me, and we've had some instances where I think we've bailed people out recently.
Yeah.
So I'd like to talk about buying and selling smart.
Mm-hmm.
So first, let's talk about buying, especially if you're a first-timer. You know, a lot of people are looking at a house, and they're looking at the statistics, you know, the number of bedrooms, the number of bathrooms, the square footage of the house, the lot size in the neighborhood, which are all super important. I get that. Mm-hmm. But sometimes houses may come in at a price point that might be a little much considering the amount of work that you're going to have to do. Like when you move in, is this house move-in ready? Or do you have 2 kids that are going to start in a new school and a whole bunch of projects that you got to do right away to make the house livable? Mm-hmm. And just being smart about it can really reduce your stress as a new home buyer. Sometimes one house might cost a little bit more, but needs so much less immediate renovation that it's the smarter buy, even though you're paying more up front. You know, the other houses that need a lot of work, you might pay more and have a lot more aggravation with some of the repairs that you have to do. So you got to be smart about how you use your money. On the other hand, if you don't have kids and maybe you're handy or you're a contractor even, maybe your smart buy might be the house at a lower price point because you have more of a means to get to those projects and you can get them done, and that might be the smarter way to go. So you got to just take everything into account. And our home inspection report can help you out with that. On the other side of things, you know, we do a lot of pre-list inspections. This is where we're doing an inspection for somebody that's getting ready to sell a property. Mm-hmm. And you should also sell smart. So sometimes you've got a house that needs a few little things, and it could dramatically increase either the pool of buyers that you have or the price that you can sell the house for. Correct. Because it goes from not move-in ready to all of a sudden move-in ready, and it'll pass FHA and VA appraisal standards. Mm-hmm. So those people, it would make sense to go ahead and do some of those renovations and repairs to really get that premium dollar amount out of a house. That type of inspection has been picking up traction really just in the last couple of years. We've been trying to promote it for probably 6 or 7 years now, and it's just a different way to do things. So a lot of your people that have been in the industry a long time are a little bit resistant. Like, oh gosh, what if we find something? However, that's what you want. Yeah. You don't want it to be found on the buyer's inspection where everybody's up against the deadline and things get heated. That's why we're doing it, so that we do find something.